Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the palette I used to do the side look today, and then I will be showing you the time-lapse of... time-lapse? Whatever, you know what I mean. Me doing the makeup. So I got this box right here. This is from Unicorn Cosmetics. I believe it is a UK brand. I first saw this on one of my favorite YouTubers channels. Her name is Eva Makeup Artist, but it's not EVA, it's EWA. I believe she is from Poland. She lives in Ireland right now. She's fantastic. She does colorful looks, she does gothic looks. And I love her accent too. We're gonna go into this box. I'm gonna unopen it. I'm gonna open it, show you what I got. Now this box I also paid extra for. I believe it was $4.99. I just wanted the box. Super cute. May as well, right? And it did, it arrived in a pretty short time, even though it came from the UK, so that's also fantastic. You've got unicorn mail. It's so cute. So anyway, this is the inside of the box. How gorgeous is that? I love it so much. So I ordered the palette that she recommends, and I also ordered a highlighter because I figured may as well. Now the whole reason I ordered this was finally ordered this was because Eva ended up getting a coupon code with them, so congratulations. So this is the palette. Of course I've already used it, so I've already taken out of its packaging and everything. It was packaged very nicely. As you can see in this box, it had these little biodegradable packing peanuts, and then this was also wrapped in bubble wrap, but again, I've already taken it out. I just wanted you to see the packaging. So this is the Wicket palette, and here's the palette right here, Unicorn Cosmetics, the Wicket, and I'll just open it up. You'll be able to see it later, of course, as well, but this is the palette. It's very interesting with the pans, the double pans in the middle there. I didn't really use too many colors out of this. I did use the black, and I used this purple right here. This purple performed fantastic. Very much like it. And I used this gray as well for like blending the top. Not a whole lot. And then I used this sparkly color here, Fallen. I use that just for like my under eyes. And then for my lid, when I did my cut crease, I grabbed this Ace Beaute Glimmer shadow in French Vanilla, because why not? So I used that as well for this look. Now for the highlighter, I should have used this in my makeup, but I didn't. Oh well, I forgot that it was there. On the back of this package, it says Glow Ting Pressed Highlighting Powder. This is what the back says. It says, "When I set out to create this highlighter, I wanted a unique pigment that stood out from the rest. After months of testing, I finally found the perfect blend. And then the formula was fast. With my hands on the only sample in the world of my dream shade, I worked through sample after sample to make sure I recreated that same magic, and here it is. I hope you love it as much as I do, because as they say, you glow differently when you're happy. Love, Mel Blue." Very cute. Now, I was going to say I probably forgot to use this because I have a complaint about this. I do not like the packaging. The packaging is very slippery, and it's hard to open. It feels, I don't want to say cheap, because like it looks cute. It's very unique, but it's just like I can't even open it right now. Like I don't have nails, so I can't like complain that, you know, I don't have nails to open it, but like I have to hold it against my chest and go like that. So this is the front of the package. So we got, can't hold it, information on the back. You know, just a unique design. And we do have a mirror. It does say Glow Ting in there. Yeah, I should have used this. Oh well, that's okay. And it's stamped with UC, but I will put this on the back of my hand so you can see it. It is a nice color. It's very unique. I think I probably have something similar from my, what is it? Kaleidos highlighters. But yeah, it's like a purple pink, but also like white in some lights. So anyway, so it's cool. I don't like the packaging. That's my only complaint. But yes, anyways, I will have a link down to Eva's YouTube channel down below if you really like colorful and or gothic makeup. I'm sure you will enjoy her. Oh, it's freaking snowing. It's snowing. I'm in Northwest Indiana near Chicago. It shouldn't be snowing. That's all I'm saying. We've had like 80-degree days so far already. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I got. Let me know what you think of this eye look down below. I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. once again, I have to record my intro. Second time. Okay, I keep turning the sound off when I'm recording, doing my makeup, and then I forget to turn it back on when I record this. Anyways,